Hello everyone to my YouTube channel, and this channel is for anyone who wants to learn German language. And today I'm going to teach you about the basics. And the basics to any language, as we know it, is the alphabets. And the German language is called Deutsch. As I have written here, Deutsch is what we call the German language. German language we call it in English, but it's Deutsch. So, as we all know it, in English language there are 26 alphabets, but in German there are 4 more, which I will tell you about in the upcoming videos. For now on, we only focus on the first 26, and I have already written it to save some time. See. So we're going to start with the 26 alphabets. First is A. I have written the English alphabets here, and how we pronounce it here. These I have only written to give you an idea about how we pronounce it in the German, the English alphabets, and I will written it here between the sound s. Wait a second. There, pronunciation, sound or pronunciation, and anything you can say about it, anything you can say. Yes. So A, as we say it in English, A is called A in German. See the sound I'm making, A. And B is called B. Not B, is different, B in German. And C for cat, is called C. As you can see in the pronunciation section, I have written a T in front of SEH as say and say. We close your mouth and say. Okay. And D, day. Not Monday, Tuesday, day. Alright. Moving on to E, we call it A. And F is called F. Now moving on to G. Now G is the sound of G is different. In German we call it G. H is ha, like ha, but not similar to that. Ha. I, we say it in English I, and in German E. That's why I written it double E here. And now, as you can see it, something new I've written the pronunciation of J, and we pronounce it as yacht. Now J to yacht, this is somewhat not similar to English, but it's like that. You have to learn it. Yacht. That's why I have written it YOT. Yacht. Okay. In K, as we say it in English, K, here call it ka. That's why I written it KAH. And L is L. Now this is quite similar. You see, not all the alphabets are different. How we pronounce it in English and how we pronounce it in German. So M, as you can now see here, M is M. N is N. O is O. Now P is pay. Pay. You can see it, I've written it as P-E-H, pay. P in English and pay in German. Now moving on to the next one, which is Q, and the sound or the way we pronounce it in German is different. Q is Q, K-U-H, Q, as you can see it, Q. I know it's different and not similar to the English one, and it's Q, but eventually it will sink in the when you will practice it every day, and it is very important to pronounce it correctly, to make it sound more like a German, because if you're English speaker, it will be tricky the first time you say it or try to speak it or try to practice it, but eventually after some time you will get used to it, and I'm pretty sure you can pronounce it pretty well. So R is air, like we saw when we make the motion for anger, og, it's air. See, air. And now we move to S is S, and T in English is T, T-E-H, that's why I mean T-E-H, T. And U is oo, double O. I written it as double O's, and it's O, oo. Now one more tricky one. Now see, it's V in English, V for van, as we said, but in German it's V. That's why I've written it here F-O-W, V, like foul in a football match, foul, but it's V. I know it can be tricky to you see V and pronounce it with like F. It can be tricky, but as I told you earlier, you will get used to it. W, we call it in W, and it's way. See, W-E-H, way. And now it's also a different one, from W to way, but it's like that. And X is X, I-K-S, X. You hear the sound, how I pronounce it, X. And now moving on to Y, and now you're wondering why what the hell I've written here. It's epsilon. Yes, it's epsilon. Y is called epsilon. And yeah, you can say J is yacht, somewhat like English yaw pronunciation, but it's J, and Y is called epsilon. So, and now Z, unlikely to the English language, in German we use Z more. It sound like set. In German, the use of Z is pretty much more than what it's in English language, and it's set. See, like say here, C, I written say, set. Both have D in front, you know the sound D, and set. Z is now set. So these are all the alphabets pretty much, you can say, and their pronunciation. Now I've written is 4 special ones, which if you are English speaker can be tricky. as you can see, I've written V is equal to F. Why? Because V is from F. So in German language, V, as we speak it, sound like F. F. You will see it in the upcoming videos when I write in the words and sentences, and when you will read it, you will be reading V as F. It can be tricky, but it will come eventually. And W is V, as you can see, not V exactly, somewhat, not exactly. V. Z is S. Why I'm saying that? Because when we read in German Z, it sounds like S, not exactly like S, but sound is similar to S. In English, what we call S as, I will give you an example. Zeit. Zeit is a word in German which means time, and we read it Zeit, not English like Zeit, Zeit. So you see the sound is for S, but it's Zeit. And S is similar to Z sometimes, not always. And that's it. These are the special ones which are different, and you will see it in the upcoming videos as we progress on, as we go on to do some different things. I will tell you about them later, but here you go. These are all the alphabets as we practice it today, and how they pronounce and how we pronounce them. Some are similar and some are different, but as you will practice them, you can master them. Simple for today. Yes, and then I'm going to tell you about 4 more, but in the next video, not this one. We have 4 more of alphabets in German language, 26 and 4 plus 4 more. I will tell you about them in the next video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. It will be a great support to me and for this channel, so I can progress and provide you some more lessons about German language. And these are the basics. I will provide 3 to 4 more lessons about the basics first, then we move on to next level. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.